We will no longer attend JCM Church. We are leaving JCM.
We thank Bishop.
And we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We are going back to our old churches, and we keep our reasons for leaving to ourselves. Goodbye, everyone.
Take care. Until next time. See you.
Bye for now. Farewell, JCM Church.
Until next JCM Church. JCM Church. Well,
Goodbye.
Until next time.
Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon.
It's been so much fun away.
Kakuna bwakwali kweli soka mwanyaku mama. Tukwitira omega.
Rubedori arungi tokwanaga.
Tukwitira.
Goodbye, my friend. It's time to go. I'll carry the memories as I walk away.
Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you again.